Hi guys, so for today's video, we have a challenge, the Guess Who Question Challenge.
Number one question. The third president who served during the Japanese occupation of the Philippines during World War II.
The third president. Manuel Rojas.
Wrong. Next. Sorry naman.
Boy or girl?
Wala man di girl na president sa time.
Pwede mo na kung makapas?
Bongbong Marcos.
Wrong.
Third? Iba tanong ka na.
Third.
Sino naman ang ba? Ramon magsaysay.
Sala.
Si si Andres Bonifacio.
The correct answer is Jose P. Laurel.
Malangra, dyan lang inuuto ko yung mamban.
Paano masabi?
Next, fifth president who became the first president of the independent Philippines.
Manuel Rojas.
Correct.
Ay,
Boleh, Dulce.
ay, mabuol mo. Pwede mabuol?
Question. The 17th and the current president of the Philippines. The 17th and the current president of the Philippines.
17?
Ako ka na.
Hindi ko sure. Rodrigo Duterte?
Wrong. Correct.
Bongbong Marcos. Correct. Sorry yan.
Ganun.
Judge, baka naman. Hindi ko bumars naman. Duterte.
The 14th president to implement various economic and social reforms.
Nonoy Aquino.
Wrong.
14th president. Proud
Yes.
Bahira.
Si
Si Gloria Macapagal Arroyo.
Correct.
Naisip ko siya.
Nabalan ko, Judge Liwat. Kaya tahunin niya.
Next question.
Lemon naman iba?
The 11th president who led the country transition to democracy after Marcos ouster.
Ini Aquino?
Wrong.
11?
11th president.
Kami bro, presidente. Bro, katatang gurok to na. Kalak-kalakan.
Benigno Aquino.
Wrong.
Senator lang ra. Tatawag question.
The 11th president who led the country transition to democracy after Marcos ouster.
Marcos. Sira po, lain.
Wrong.
Ay si ano?
Next.
Fidel Ramos.
Pass. Angelo.
Lucky Bahi.
Time's up.
Ay, sorry po.
Corazon C. Aquino.
Ay,
Pero sakto ako. Magyambal mo kung ano.
11th ba? Marcos ba ito, Uste? Tapos mo. Ang ganun.
dapat may ano.
Next. The fourth president who succeed Manuel Quezon and play a key role in the country.
First?
Fourth.
Fourth? Wapatap na ka to na
Dr.
kalak-kalakan.
Jose Rizal.
Discuss na natin.
Ayun.
Fourth president.
Sorry, man eh. Gano'n ako naisip mo.
Time. 10.
Manuel Quezon.
Wrong.
Emilio?
Wrong.
First. Ay, si Andres.
Emilio Jacinto.
Wrong.
Fourth president. Si ano?
May nakabalik.
Si Miguel.
Felix.
Wrong. Sergio Osmeña Senior.
Kusing nila, dapat sa fifth.
Okay na to.
Meron na.
Okay na to.
The second president, also known as the father of national language for promoting Filipino as the national language.
Second president.
Andres?
Wrong.
Father of seismology.
National language. Next.
Ay, si ano?
Marami.
Pakiliwat pa ng question.
Wala medyo review.
The second president, also known as the father of national language, for promoting Filipino as national language.
Felipe Dadula.
Oh?
What?
Sino to?
Ano mo tapos yan? Ano na naman? Oh my God! Second president, si Emilio Aguinaldo naman.
Ah, si Emilio.
Timer. 10, 9,
Sino naman?
8,
Ito kaluyang.
Jose Pilawen.
7. Wrong.
Right.
Manuel L. Quezon.
Ay! Huwag ito dahil mga ambal ko. Yes, utong ko
Sorry,
mga ambal.
Manuel.
Next.
Timing nakahati mo na, nakasakto ko.
Good, bye.
Gran. Next. The 16th president known for his tough stance of crime and corruption.
Duterte.
360.
Corruption. Kompletuhan na yung ngaran.
Kompletuhan eh. Kompletuhan eh.
Pero wala.
Tala.
Kompletuhan. Kompletuhan.
Duterte. Kubitulog.
Yan. Correct.
Roa Duterte.
Correct.
Ano?
Rodrigo Roa Duterte.
Yo.
Rodrigo Roa P. Duterte. Kulangan na.
Ikaw, baka naman.
Next.
Yung wala sa'yo.
The 15th president who focused on good governance and economic growth.
Kulangan ka na, kulangan ka na.
Gloria Macapagal.
Nonoy Aquino!
Correct.
Gutom tako naman.
Next. The 12th president who focused on economic growth and national reconciliation.
12th president. Bahay, laki.
Lucky.
Si ano, Ramon Magsaysay.
Wrong.
Ano yung Aquino?
Wrong.
11.
Next run.
Bonifacio.
Wrong.
Ano si
11 na?
Lucky?
Ay, saan na? Bakit ba na ano? Naku.
Marojas.
Sarap.
Maruwas ka no. Si ano? 11th, no?
Liwan.
Ano ulit man?
Baka yun naman ka.
Si...
Nanay niya.
Paso.
Ano ay?
Bahay na ba?
Si Manuel Roas.
Wrong.
Jose Pilaurel.
Wrong. Correct answer is Fidel B. Ramos.
Wala na kita.
Next. Next. Dadali lang niya. The 13th president whose term was cut short due to corruption allegation.
Ako. Tanan ko.
Gloria Macapagal.
Wrong.
Ano pong name ng raman? Ah, di rin.
Ferdinand Marcos.
Wrong.
14 yan.
Taro ba Marcos si Kira?
Joseph Ejercito Estrada.
Correct.
You!
Hyper ba?
Ganun. The first president of the Philippines leading the country to independence from Spain.
Emilio.
Ano?
Emilio Aguinaldo.
Correct. Last three lamang. Meron na.
Baka pa daw.
The seventh president known for his efforts to reduce corruption and improve the economy.
7. Emilio.
Balita na dyan nagsuksok kang ano, kang barong.
Si Ramon Magsaysay.
Correct.
Nagsungod.
Sakto to. Sakto to.
Wala ka sa pila.
Nabat na lagi mo. Meron na.
Sabi ko, bata nga.
The ninth president who implement land reform and economic development programs.
Ano ba talaga?
The ninth president who implement the land reform and economic. Lagi, kilala niya gid siya.
Ano ba yung letter na? Blue ah.
Lucky.
Kala.
First letter ah.
First letter? Ikaw lang ah.
Ano man?
Bali, ang time na December 30, 1961 to December 30, 1965.
Agrarian reform.
Audio 01.
Mananawa na eh.
Ikaw ni
Si ano? Niya? Ang tatayaw na ano? Hindi bongbong.
Sala.
Ano ang question?
The 9th President to implement land reform and economic development programs.
Ay, manaan ko rin.
Si Manuel L. Quezon.
Sala.
Singgoon lang bro.
Si ano? 9th president. Si ano? Tiyak balay namin lo.
Okay, time's up. Diosdado Macapagal.
Ano pagay?
Yan. The 10th President whose rule was marked by martial law and authoritarianism.
Lang, kaya mo yun. Lang.
Sala.
Pwede na ako, senyor.
Correct.
Gugaw na kita.
Tinang martial law, mag-iwasan law. Tinang martial law.
Acronym of ICC.
Wow!
Uy, International Cooperation Cooperative.
Wrong.
Ala, ICC, kayo na, ginamba, kayo na lang niya, ano, nga nagdagdag, kaya ano.
International Criminal Court.
Correct.
Who you?
Ito ka nga lang.
Grand.
Last one's no beer. Who will be?
Who is the current Vice President of the Philippines?
Correct?
Sara Duterte!
Correct.
Thank you.
Alright. Andren.
Bye!
Thank you!
Picture na.
Mga kakubal, please like and subscribe to our channel. Raf 3.0.
Subscribe, bro.
Ah, si Bossing.